Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down a huge decision for any apparel brand. Everyone assumes going direct saves cash, right? But that low price can hide some really costly risks.
So where do you even start? Well, first, you have to nail down your own sourcing strategy.
If you don't have solid answers here, going direct can get messy and expensive fast. A direct factory relationship can be awesome, but only if the conditions are right.
Without these, you could literally waste months just solving basic problems all on your own. Factories need total clarity. If anything's incomplete, you're pretty much guaranteeing production mistakes.
Just remember, factories are built for efficiency and volume, not for flexibility. That's key.
Okay, now let's flip it and look at the other path. A sourcing partner can be a game changer.
This is a big one in markets where communication styles can be, well, all over the place.
Giving them this info up front helps them find the perfect factories for your brand way faster.
Their job is to manage the whole process for you. Remember, they are not the factory.
The real math isn't just about that first quote. Let's get into the hidden expenses. So yeah, there's a fee, but that fee can actually save you from these much bigger mistakes. And how you negotiate, it has to be completely different depending on who you're talking to.
So here's the bottom line. With a factory, think partnership. With a partner, think accountability.
At the end of the day, it's not about what's cheaper. It's about the smarter investment.